Ibigambo by'abanyishengero bije aho bwanyuma ya butando yabaherizo baharuguto nyigendo rwa Kampala kuza Gulu aho abantu 15 bafera. Urushitamo rw'erizoba rwayebembera umuhezi wa mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero Thomas Taebwa kandi yareko kushasha ahabwa abantu bafera mu butando eji.
I would like to implore Minister of Works to establish a hospital whereby each and every driver going to renew their driving permit must be tested. Because when we go to the driving permit offices, they just issue these permits. But when you test these drivers medically, because most of these drivers are DMC, drivers in dangerous condition. So if they test us and then we qualify for renewal of permits, I think this will help reduce the rate of accident. Thank you.
And some of these accidents, even our own relatives are a victim. Some of them who survive, they're even in Mulago. But for this very accident, which I've just mentioned, the preliminary reports show that the cause of the accident was overspeeding. But Honourable Speaker, I request, I've noted the advice given to us by honourable colleagues.
Ahabwe nshongeji abanyishengero bashaba ngo habeho cyakorwa ahakweyongera kwa za butandu umuyihanga.
The issue of people dying because of accidents. Mr. Speaker, motorcycles, borders have stronger lights than vehicles at night. All those are imported by government and you sanction them. If not so, you are not arresting those who are bringing them in the country.
Bamwe mbanyishengero bayetombitira barukwebwe mpatane abarukore nguto omuringo gwa gadibengarye.
We have got a high volume of passengers now traveling at night. So these buses, because of little lighting along the road, they do not see some of these potholes. And that is how they end up swerving towards another vehicle and we get head collisions.
Na bwanyuma Minister w'ebya PIDA kuyemuka kugamba yajanguhine ba contractor abitenda zabo ziri kuza kusharwamu ahabo butakore biri kuba biraginwe na government.
So for the road sign on the road, we mentioned it even in the last parliament that we're working out on the plan. The road signs we have, they are so attractive, especially they are metallic. The ones we put, they are so attractive to our people. We're working on the plan to bring the ones which are not attractive so that they can last long on the road. Most of them we use the poles, and where we put the signs, they take them, they save them in terms of scrap. You arrest people, tomorrow they come back. But we're working out a plan where we can have those ones which are not attractive, which can last longer.
Minister yaragana sokorete cyandiko mbwire we sandi ibiri ekirukworeka ko bariyo nubetebekana sokore nguto zona ezino buzubu okwetorora ihanga.
And also I request at least a period of 2 weeks I bring a statement to this house showing the comprehensive plan we are working together with the Department of Traffic Uganda Police and the other stakeholders.
Gasha kwa Jime Mhumza.